What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Motorhead YouTube channel. In today's video, we're back to work on our Jeep JK, and as you can see, it does have some ugly fenders on it, and we don't like them. So luckily, Rough Country hooked us up with these beautiful fenders right here. We also have the Rough Country inner fenders, and we also have some bumpers on the way. They probably will be here today, so we're going to install those in this video also. So let's go ahead and dig into this kit and see everything that comes with it. So check this out, guys. We have this awesome kit from Rough Country. They put it together for us specifically for this Jeep, for this build, and we're very happy with the way the fenders look so far. We actually do have a fender from a competitor here that I would like to compare, and you can see the difference in the two fenders. This one is so much more beefier, so much nicer. It's got a nicer finish on it. I mean, just really nice quality stuff.
Yeah, these are so ugly. They make it look cheap, honestly.
Yeah, those, I think those are like $129 for 4 of them. But yeah, these are awesome. One of the cool things about these fenders is, well, one of the cool things about Rough Country is that they have those inner fender liners that you can buy and put on there. You don't have to have the plastic in there like a lot of people do run. A lot of people you see that do end up buying these fenders right here, they run the stock inner fender liners, and it just together with this little tube.
Yeah, it doesn't look
this
good.
little tube.
Some people, I've noticed a lot of them, they don't even put the inner fenders on, and it just looks whack.
Yeah, they just run without them, so kind of whack, I would say. But huge shout out to Rough Country. If you guys are looking for some good quality stuff, go check them out, roughcountry.com. They also have an Instagram.
Yeah, or we'll just link it in the description.
Yeah,
Y'all can
we'll
click on it
link
there.
it, so. But let's get these fender flares off and get the new tube fenders on. Before we start, we actually have a little bit of a question for you guys. Paul actually came up with the idea. He said it would look really cool if we color match the tops of these fenders right along this line right here. And honestly, I do like the idea, but I'm worried about how well the color is going to match to the factory color. So let us know in the comment section what you think. If we should go for it, if we should try it, or if we should do like a spray out on maybe that one right there and see what happens, you know.
That's a good idea.
So maybe we will do that, but
yeah,
but I don't know. I want to just go ahead and put them on, you know. So
no, but we can always do it on the Jeep or take them off. It's not a big deal. We'll see if it's worth it.
I don't know, man. If they go on, they're staying on.
Yeah, all right. So what do we need to take this off?
10mm and a clip pop. I already got everything here. And the thing about these fenders and flares is they're going to make the Jeep sit a lot higher. Yeah. Like a lot of this is going to be gone. It's going to expose the wheel a lot more. It's going to make it look a little wider.
That's one thing I noticed on my Jeep. When I had those two fenders, it made it look way taller than it was. Also, what do you guys think? Me and Yuri were talking about maybe adding some spacers. Make the wheels stick out a little more.
Yo, is it even possible to take these off without breaking them?
There you go. There you go. Yo, have you seen some people run the Jeeps without fenders at all? It's so ugly.
Yeah, I've seen that. I remember when the JK first came out and there was people that started doing that. It was so ugly. What if we don't even like the look?
I highly doubt that, sir. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I mean, they're just sick.
It definitely looks taller now.
That thing's gonna be sick,
Let me see the front. Oh, yeah, dude. With that bumper that we got, man. Oh, it's gonna look so nice. All right, guys, these metal fenders were a no-brainer. Check that out. It looks so aggressive with them. Definitely lifted the Jeep up too.
Yeah, definitely a much better look than what it was.
Oh, yeah.
Man, it looks so good.
It looks good without the fender for it. I mean, the inner fender. Imagine when we put that on, dude. It's gonna look insane.
Yeah, Yeah, we definitely got to get this bumper off now. This is looking a little whack right there.
Yeah, maybe just sawzall it, you know, just slice it.
Yeah, we'll do, what's it called? Redneck style on it.
No,
but it's no good anyways, look. I've actually seen people do that. They cut it right here.
Yeah, I've seen that
and
too.
they think that it's like rough country or something. It's nothing rough. I mean, it's rough. It's just not rough country.
Yes, sir. Hopefully our bumpers come in today so we can get them on. Oh.
Yeah, we are about to go check the tracking on them. If anything, we'll go meet the FedEx guy on the highway.
We can drive an hour. Hey, we'll just come in the Jeep and put them on when we get there.
Yeah.
Paul, check out this fender, dude.
Y'all put the fender on?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
it looks insane.
Yeah.
Painting, it's a good idea, but honestly, I don't know if it's worth the hassle.
I like it. Yeah, I think we're,
Well, let's not worry about painting.
yeah.
Yeah.
I think we're
Let's
done.
get them inner fenders on and just paint the grill, maybe.
I like the, it looks good with that color, the black and the gray
Yeah,
flows.
You tighten this bolt down right here.
definitely a move.
Oh.
All right, so fender is hard mounted. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the inner fender. This time we're going by instructions.
Yeah, so this right here is going to be the piece.
Yes, sir. Let's just drop 6 tacks real quick. Just
Yeah.
weld it up.
It's got lock nuts, so I think it'll be fine.
All right, so we got our fender liner on. Now we just install this backing plate right here.
The rear bracket.
Yeah, the rear bracket. And then once that's on, this will go in and bolt to it, and it'll be good to go. Okay guys, so this inner fender is in. It's looking very nice. Everything went together very smoothly. Now that we got the gist of everything, we're just gonna go ahead and knock them all out, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so we got them all put together. Everything's looking very nice. The fronts are also complete. As you can see, we took the grill off because we are gonna cover match it. So we're gonna do that while we wait on the bumper, so let's get to it.
All right, so we are getting our grill ready for painting. Paul came up with an awesome idea. He actually had this done to his Jeep. We're going to, well, I'll let him explain it. What are you gonna do, Paul?
Well, we're gonna tape off the center half, kind of follow some of these lines and leave the center black and just paint the outside the same color as the Jeep itself. It makes it really stand out, makes it look really good.
Yes, sir. And then we're also going to put the Jeep emblem back. I
Okay,
think it's gonna
okay.
look pretty cool.
That is, give it a little bit of a stockish feel. Also, we have the tailgate set up, ready for some color.
And with, the story behind this tailgate, so one of our subscribers sent us this tailgate and it actually got damaged in shipping. So we did have to fix the surface of it. I did it off camera because a lot of you guys hate when we do a lot of body work in our videos. So we figured we're not gonna stick you with any of that. But huge shout out to Busted Knuckle Garage. He sent it out. Unfortunately, it looked like the FedEx guy did some tap dancing on it, but it's okay. We got it straight. It looks good. We're gonna paint it, put it on, and be done with it.
Okay, so as you can see, Paul painted everything. Everything looks nice and slick. Check out this grill, guys. Man, that color scheme looks amazing. I can't wait to see this on the Jeep. Hopefully it all matches up nicely, but it should. We did actually do a spray out card and test everything. The color looked very close. I just love how he painted the inside black and color matched the outside. It's gonna look amazing. And we are gonna put the Jeep logo back on it, and it's gonna look absolutely insane. We'll probably get a black one to go with all these black accents. And now we need to wait for this to dry. Hopefully our bumper will probably be here tomorrow. It's looking like only the rear one came in today. So tomorrow we can slap all this together and see how it looks. We also got some aftermarket headlights to install, so it's all gonna look absolutely insane. So once all that comes in, we'll start putting it together.
Very interesting what this man is doing.
Why is it this?
The door needs no paint and he's taking it to the paint booth.
Nah, it's way off, bro.
Hold it to the deck. It's not that much off.
It's good. It's definitely good.
You still gotta put another coat, right,
Yeah.
Paul? Alright.
All right, check it out, guys. The Willys is looking absolutely amazing. We were really happy with how it turned out. The flares, the lift, the wheels, everything is just looking beautiful. So today we want to go and do the alignment on it because we did not do that the other day. We had to set an appointment and they were really busy. So we actually got a spot and we're gonna jump over there and get this knocked out. So Ruben is the alignment professional here. Just so everybody knows that. He's going to make it absolutely perfect. Drive straight, like on the freeway, it's straight.
Look, it's barely off.
Yeah.
It's actually not off at all.
Really?
The alignment?
Look.
Are you sure? So we don't need to do it?
Nope. See,
Okay.
I'm the master. I just look at it and it's good.
Nah, Rough Country's the master here. They make a kit, you just throw it on.
Keep recording. Guys, look at this.
That's the Motorhead way.
Alright, so Ruben said the alignment's good.
Oh yeah, dude. Look at me driving like this.
It was driving, you didn't do nothing, Ruben. Alright, so we're good. We can head out. Ruben's gonna do the honors. Pull it down, Ruben. Got Mr. Good to go. We're good to go.
Oh yeah,
I
shout us
appreciate
out. Go ahead and give us a shout out.
Alright, Good to go tire on Russell Boulevard, Chattanooga, Tennessee.
All right, so we are back at the shop on Monday. We actually just got back from Florida. Took this thing on a 1,240 mile trip, round trip, 10 miles there, 610 miles back. Mark and V-Tune are actually still down there. But I came back early. This thing drives amazing. There was absolutely no issues driving with this thing. But what we wanted to do today is install this Rough Country sway bar link quick disconnect. This is a really good accessory to have for your Jeep if you like to drive it off-road and if you daily drive it, because as you guys know, what a sway bar does is it connects the axle on both sides so that when one side goes up, it kind of puts pressure on the whole vehicle and it keeps it from swaying. So it's just a torsion bar that connects them both. And by removing it, you allow the axle in the front to articulate independently. So a lot of the off-road guys, they like to take them off, but you want to have it if you want to drive it on the road. So these are perfect. And Rough Country has a really nice set. They're adjustable. They're really easy to put on. So I'm about to pop them on, and we're actually going to take it out to the Prentice Cooper National Forest Park and try them out. Maybe flex it out on some stuff. Never know. We'll see. What do you think, Vlad?
Quick while you're in their mod, headlights,
You like those? What do you think about those, Vlad?
LEDs, I think they look great.
Think so?
A bunch of little projectors. See what this is gonna look like on here with this angry grill. You gotta get get that adapter right there. There you go.
All right, let's put that grill back on it.
Boom, right into place.
All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video. We are actually going to be installing the front and rear bumpers on here. We got some really nice bumpers from Rough Country, so stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and check us out on Instagram at motorhead.co. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.